Hey guys, how you doing? This is Agent Workflow. I'm here to show you guys how to get DeepSeek R1 running on N8N. So if you guys remember last video, we got DeepSeek V3 with memory running on N8N. Just to sum it up, DeepSeek is a frontier model by the guys from Tencent. They spun off their own lab in China, and it is about 75% of the capabilities of Claude and ChatGPT, the V3 that is, at about 2% of the price. Now, on the day of Trump's inauguration, they released DeepSeek R1, which is their reasoning model. It's as good as OpenAI's O1 model at about 1% of the cost, guys. That means you can run 100 of these um, API calls for the price of one OpenAI call, which is incredible. That's gonna let us open up some really incredible AI agent workflows and unlock some possibilities that would have been too expensive to run on OpenAI's API. Just quickly to see, guys, look at this. This was released by the team. So DeepSeek R1 is this blue with the lines, and then OpenAI is the gray one. And then they also released the family of DeepSeek all the way up to 1.5B. So there's a lot of options to choose from depending on what computer specs you have locally to run. And then they also have the old V3. So as you guys can see, guys, the V3, when I say old, it was only released 2 weeks ago, but the V3 versus R1, it's incredible. The R1 competes with OpenAI on all the metrics, and it's about 1% of the cost. So if you look at this, guys, the price of a 1 million token is only 14 cent, and output is $2. Incredible. These are the cash ones, but even the regular ones, when if you don't cash, are still the input price is 55 cents versus OpenAI's $15, guys. This is like a huge win for the open source community, and a huge thank you to DeepSeek for releasing this weights and model on the MIT license. Um, yeah, look at the R1 model, guys. It beats Claude in almost all metrics, and it's up there with OpenAI. So very incredible stuff. And as you can see, um, its thinking model, it's pretty advanced, and it does the logical in a very easy to understand way. So I'm going to show you guys how to run this on N8N and how to switch our old node to the new one. So if you guys remember, this was where we left off. So we have our DeepSeek model with memory. I'll show you guys how to add memory, right? So to get this quickly going, you just have to go plus AI, get this AI agent node here, uh, put it on conversational agent. You get something like this, and to get this one, you have press pause. You go to OpenAI model, and then right here, guys, what you need to do to get DeepSeek is create a new credential. When you go to new credential, it's going to ask for an API key and a base URL. You can find your your DeepSeek key by going to platform.deepseek.com and clicking API keys, and then here you create a new key, copy the key, and you also want to go to the API docs, and make note of this base URL. So once you have your API key and base URL, you take those and you put them right here, and you change this, and that should set you up for your model. And then to add memory, you just click memory, Windows buffer, set your contacts length. I left it 5. You can make it 10, you can make it 50 to get more longer history. But guys, once you have that, I basically ran this this calculate the area of a triangle 543, show your thinking in English, and write the answer in Python. So as you can see, this is the original V3 model. It's a little convoluted thinking to do the formula, and look how long it took, guys. But it got the answer. The answer is 6. It's 3 times 4 divided by 2. But I'm going to show you guys how R1 does it. So let me clear this chat. And then to change DeepSeek, and last time we put the model name as DeepSeek-chat, but to get reasoner, you click on expression, change that to reasoner. That's it, guys. That's all we need to do. We'll leave that, and let's ask the same question, and I'll show you guys the difference in the answer. It takes a little bit longer this time because it's doing the internal thinking, the chain of thought reasoning model. But here we go. There it is, guys. This is the reasoner model running on V3. And as you guys can see, if you go to platform and you go to usage, you'll see DeepSeek when I ran the model, and then also now the reasoner model here for the API calls. And guys, I've been using this non-stop at $2, and it's only gone 20 cents, and that's with using it with Klein, using it with all my web apps. Thank you so much, guys. I'll upload a few more of these with actual agents next time. So anyways, I wanted to give you guys a quick update on this new model. Very, very cool. Tell me what you guys are building and what you want me to build. Okay, thank you, and have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and if you don't mind, share.